Hi, I'm Strawberry Shortcake from confessionsofahomschooler.com, and I'm going to be showing you how to make peppermint rainbow loom earrings. These are what the earrings look like, and they're about medium scale. Okay, so these are the materials that you're going to need to finish this activity. Your
Rainbow loom,
your hook, an earring back for the earring, and then a jump ring.
put it in your hand so they can see it. Okay.
You're going to need jewelry pliers, 2 of them, and then you're going to need 2 colors. My colors today are white and tie-dye. Okay, so how to start out is you take off the middle one and put it in a fishtail form with the arrow facing away from you, like that. Okay, so first, you're going to take your first color and put it on the end and just lay it there. Then you're going to take your next color, which is a white, and then put it on like that. So we're going to start forming a square. You're going to take your next color and put it on, and you're going to take your next color and put it on like that. So you're going to just go up twice with 2 rubber bands, and then you're going to start, as you can see, you're going to start forming a square. Take your next color, which is white, and your next color, and your next color, and then stop there, and the rubber band that was just laying there, take it and pull it up and put it on like that. Once you have that done, then you're going to take a white rubber band and start from this thing and push it all the way down, because you're going to put a lot of rubber bands on there, so you need to keep it put nice and pushed down and neat. Then you're going to take your next rubber band and put it on the center and push it down. And then you're going to take your next and push it down. Then you're going to take your next and push it down. And then take your next rubber band and push it down. I'm going to take your next rubber band and push it down.
And it looks like you're alternating the white with the colored, is that right? Like every other one?
Yeah, So you're going to make like a pattern of colors. Then once you have that done, make sure it's nice and pushed down. Then you're going to take your hook and a white rubber band and put it on your hook and twist it twice so you have 3 rings. Then you're gonna take the white rubber band off and put it on there like a cat band on the middle, like that. So it should look like that. Then you're gonna take your hook and we're gonna start folding. You're going to flip it over like that, and then you're going to start from the top all the way down to the bottom. Instead of going all the way down to the bottom, you're going to start from the top and work down. So you're going to go in from the cap band and take this rubber band and pull it to the side like that, and you're going to keep going around. Such as that. You're gonna go in, take the white. Take the white. If the cap band comes off, just put it back on. And put everything else back on where it was. Okay. And you're gonna keep working your way around. If your rubber band gets stuck, then just pull the white rubber band cap and it'll come loose. So you go in there, start from the top, work your way down. Okay, once you finish that, it should look like that.
Hold on. Okay.
Okay. So when you do the folding, the arrow should be facing towards you. I forgot to mention that. Okay. Now, once you've done that, the middle, you're going to start folding around the outside. Now for this one, you are going to go in the bottom. Start on the bottom, so stick your hook in there. Get out that tie-dye one and grab the white one and pull it over. So you're going to be working to your left. And you're going to keep working all the way around. Now this part's a little tricky. At least that's what I have experienced. There we go. Okay. It's a little difficult to start working down because you're used to working up. Okay, so you're going to keep working around. You're going to go in there, grab the tie-dye one, and pull it over. Once you get to the side, it's a lot easier. And and then once you get to the other side, you start working up, so it's way easier than working down, is what I say. Okay, once you finish that, that's what it should look like.
Okay.
And then once you finish that, you're going to flip it over again with the arrow not facing towards you. And you're going to stick your hook in this one, the middle one of the bottom. You're going to stick it in there. Take a white rubber band and put it on your hook, and you're going to tie a slip knot. Okay, once that's done, this should just be dangling off. And then once that you have the slip knot off, then you just take it off. This one might be a little messed up, but okay. There. And that's what it should look like when you're done.
All right, go.
Now that you've finished the Rainbow Loom earring, you're now going to put the back on. You're going to need the earring back and the jump ring. You're also going to need your pliers. Okay, so what you do is you take your earring, actually you take the pliers, you take your jump ring, whoops, and put one plier in there holding it like that, and then the other one, and then you just pull it open like that and use it like a C-clip. Okay. Then you're going to take that and put the earring and the back on. Then you're going to take the other pair of pliers and squeeze it closed like that. Oops. Then, if you want to, on my turquoise earrings, I put extension, as you can see. And you don't have to, but it looks really cute actually, is what I think. So this is what it looks like with the extension. And this is the one that looks like without the extension. And that's the end of the Rainbow Loom Earrings tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.